Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Before we start, if you want to do anything with the Wi-Fi networks and other settings like that, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARMIN Jr application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the GARMIN Jr application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, select the profile that is connected to your watch, then tap on settings, and here find the option called Wi-Fi. And here you will see the list of saved networks. You can save up to 7 networks, my bad. And I have only one, but if you have more, you can select any network you want to disconnect from. Then you can tap on forget this network. As you can see, it says that watch will no longer basically connect to this network anymore, so tap on forget. And the network will be gone, and now your watch won't be connected to that network at all. And if you want to connect it to it again, you need to tap on add network and basically re-add it right here if you want to connect to it again. Okay, and that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.